everyone! Welcome to our school. Today we're going to talk about something super cool.
Yeah! It's about the whiteboard and how it's better than the blackboard.
That's right, Bill. Let's dive in. Look at this old blackboard. It's kind of dusty and smells like chalk.
Yeah, and when the teacher writes on it, sometimes the chalk breaks.
And it can be hard to read if you're sitting far away.
But look at our shiny whiteboard. It's so much better.
You can use markers that come in all colors. Watch this.
Wow, jolly! That looks amazing. And if you make a mistake,
you can just wipe it away.
no more chalk dust everywhere.
We can draw, write, and even play games on the whiteboard.
And everyone can see it clearly.
Learning becomes so much more fun.
And we can even use special markers that erase easily.
So, what did we learn today?
That the whiteboard is super cool because it's clean, colorful, and fun.
And it helps us learn better.
Thanks for joining us, everyone.
See you next time. Keep exploring and learning.